In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a Giphy in a channel in Discord, step by step. Whether you're chatting with friends, reacting to something funny, or just want to make your conversations more engaging, sending GIFs is one of the easiest ways to bring your messages to life. The best part is that Discord has a built-in GIF feature, so you don't need to download anything extra. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Discord guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser. You can also use the mobile app, and the steps are very similar, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the desktop version. Once Discord is open, look at the left-hand side of your screen where all your servers are listed. Click on the server that contains the channel where you want to send the GIF. After selecting the server, navigate to the specific text channel where you'd like to post the Giphy. Make sure you have permission to send messages in that channel. Now that you're inside the correct channel, move your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see the message text box where you normally type your messages. Click inside that text box to activate it. On the right-hand side of the text box, you'll notice several small icons. One of these icons is labeled GIF. This is Discord's built-in GIF picker, which is powered by Giphy. Go ahead and click on the GIF button. As soon as you click it, a GIF panel will open up. Inside this panel, you'll see trending GIFs and different categories you can browse through. If you already know what kind of GIF you want to send, you can use the search bar at the top of the panel. Simply type in a keyword like happy, wow, thank you, or anything else that matches the reaction you want to share. Discord will instantly display a selection of related GIFs. If you prefer browsing instead of searching, you can click on any of the available GIF sections or categories shown in the panel. These categories make it easy to find the right mood or reaction without having to think of a specific keyword. Scroll through the options until you find a GIF you like. Once you've found the perfect GIF, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the GIF will automatically appear in your message box and send to the channel. There's no extra confirmation step required. Everyone in the channel will now be able to see the animated GIF you selected. If you change your mind before sending, you can always click outside the GIF panel to close it, or simply continue searching until you find a better match. You can send as many GIFs as you like, as long as the server allows it. And that's it. That's how you send a Giphy in a channel in Discord. It's quick, simple, and a great way to make your conversations more expressive and fun. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.